Hi and welcome to Browsify. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a privacy policy page on Shopify. This is an essential step for any online store to ensure customer trust and legal compliance. To create a privacy policy page, first go to the online store section on the left sidebar, then click on Pages. Now click on the Add Page button on the top right corner of the Pages section. Now we'll create a title for this page. In the title field, type Privacy Policy. Below that, in the Content section, you can either write your own privacy policy or use Shopify's default template. Once you're happy with the content, scroll down to the Visibility section and choose whether you want this page to be visible right away or at a later time. After that, click Save. To make the privacy policy page accessible to your customers, go to the Navigation section under Online Store. Then click on Main Menu. Now click on Add Menu Item, type Privacy Policy for the name, and select the page you just created under the Link section. After you've added the link, click Save Menu. Then go to your store's homepage and check that the privacy policy link appears in the main menu. And that's it. You've successfully created and added a privacy policy page to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Shopify tutorials.